Hi guys, welcome to Hookup TV Top 5 Countdown, where we bring you the best 5 songs for the week here in Adamawa State. I'm Ropheka Bano, your guide. At number 5 this week is Tesh. The female R&B artist opens a new chapter of her life with this brand new single called Emergency. At number 4 this week we have T-Rex. Now T-Rex is based in Adamawa State, born in Kaduna but hails from Borno State. He's also a member of the YWAP Soul Flames rap group and he calls this one Rikichi. Up next on the countdown is Mickey the Viper. Now Mickey is one artist you can't get tired of listening to. The hip-hop organ calls this one Kai and it's grabbed the number 3 spot on our countdown this week. After enjoying stage acceptance by fans and promoters in December of 2017, Rasta Abokiman aka Els releases this hot new banger titled Bust My Brain. The song was produced by Grand Icon CEO Sam's Rich and it takes the number 2 spot this week on our countdown. Now when we done up with the pop champagne, no more I'm a ruler. Charlie Nathan aka Charlie Velli teams up with heavyweight rappers Martino El Casino and BOC Madaki on this new hit song entitled Munafurchi. It's been a while we've had massive eruption of versatile talents coming together to make a hit song. Well done guys. Can't you feel the beat is killing? Kid I may kiss a yaro mama patience ne ananda dan anti Teresa. Related by blood and united by the hustle. And my brother BOC is flexing his lyrical muscle. The try is spectacular, blood suckers like Dracula trying to knock on the ground cause the gospel is secular. Okay guys, that's all we have for you this week. Don't forget to subscribe to our platforms for more from Hookup TV. Bye. After enjoying the song was produced by Grand Icon CEO Sam's Rich and it takes the number 2 spot on this week's countdown. Charlie Nathan aka Charlie Velli teams up with heavyweight, what's the name?